tap Create New. Then move your camera around to find a wall surface. So I'm going to ignore where it's seeing it on my computer because I need it to be a vertical surface. So you may have to, there we go. So I tap on it, and then you could tell if it's vertical because when you tap on this anchor thing over here, the little lines, they'll say vertical surface. So you tap on that, and then you go to type, and then you're going to click on image instead of surface. Go to your camera roll, and you're looking for the image of me as a cheerleader. Now, one of them's a GIF and will move, so you don't want that one. So find just the plain picture. And then once it pops up, you can go ahead and hit done. Next, you're going to tap the plus sign. You're going to go into camera roll, and you're going to find that GIF version. You know it's a GIF because it moves. Hit use. Now it wants you to tap where to place it. So just tap on the screen. It's okay if it's not perfect. So what we're going to do is move it over. So I tap on it, and then I'm going to hit scale at the bottom to make it bigger. I can use the sliders on the bottom, or I could pull on these pieces over here. So I'm trying to get it to be about the same size as the still photo. Now I'm going to hit move and start to move it over. If you're using the sliders, they move so quickly. And this will also pull it in front if it was like hiding behind before. I think I'm gonna have to make this a little bit bigger, but whoa. A little at a time does it. Okay, I think I'll scale it just a little bit bigger now. So I'll pull this way. Is that too big? That's pretty good. Okay. Now once I have it and it's the right size, I'm gonna click behaviors at the bottom. I'm gonna click trigger. I don't want it to do on start because then it starts running before the person interacts. So we're gonna do on tap. So it has our image. You can say if someone could re-trigger it by tapping again after it's over. I like that. So I'm gonna click check. And now we could add the action. And then click on the second one that says play images, because the cheerleader one's a GIF. A GIF is just a collection of images. Looks like there's 49 images here. I'm gonna leave it, I'm not gonna trim it. I'm gonna keep the speed the same. And you can decide this. Do you want a delay or do you want it to start right away once they tap it? So if you want a delay, you can decide how many seconds. Infinite means that it will loop, or you can decide how many times you want it to loop. So that's up to you. And then I'm gonna hit check. And now if you want to test it to see how it works, you're gonna click on preview. So now it says to locate this image. So for now, we'll just be testing it on a computer screen, which looks a little weird, but eventually we'll have the printed image. So you're gonna angle it up to the screen. It looks like mine's a little bit off. That's okay, I can fix it later. And now it's not doing anything because I remember I have to tap on it and then it'll start to move. And mine just plays once. Now, if yours is perfect, you would go in and save it. If you need to edit it, you click back on edit, okay? But let's say you're all done, it worked out perfectly. You would hit the box with the up arrow, and then to send it to someone else, you could hit share a link. You can give this project a title. It should have your name here, and then I'd hit create link. Now the link is created. You can go ahead and copy this link, and you could go up to this share QR code and then take a screenshot of that so you have it. And there you have it.